Room clear. Action.
Hello, my name is Bradley Cowan. I'm here at the Health Specialist with my 2023 Bronco that they've recently repaired. I am a long-term Austinite. I've lived here for over 20 years. And let me tell you, these people are the best in town.
Great. So, first question, were you satisfied with your communication from Hail Specialists?
Absolutely. Health Specialists let me know where I was at, where my car was at, and what needed to be done the whole way through.
Were you satisfied with the repairs Hail Specialists performed?
I mean, just look at the car. It looks so great, doesn't it? Brand new. Yes, absolutely. I don't think it's ever looked better.
Were you satisfied with the communication you received from your insurance provider?
No. My insurance, Progressive, has made this process a nightmare, frankly, for me and probably for the great people over here at Hail Specialists.
Do you believe your insurance is acting in accordance with the contract or policy they sold you and are correctly indemnifying you as their customer?
Not at all. I have full coverage on this Bronco. It's a brand new car. Now, when I expected, after a small accident, for those repairs to be covered, Progressive refused. Thank goodness Hail Specialists helped me out.
Were there any troubles, delays, or issues when contacting your insurance adjuster?
Yes. I had multiple adjusters call me from Progressive. I never knew who to contact, and when I did try to contact them, they were usually not around to help.
Do you feel that your insurance provider treated you how they advertise? Or do you feel that their advertisements are misrepresentation of the service they provide?
I feel like it is a complete misrepresentation to expect Progressive to pay what they should. I mean, I pay my monthly premiums every month, and I expect my car to be repaired in a timely manner. And thank goodness for Hail Specialists it was, but not because of Progressive.
Did your insurance provider give you a written letter of denial explaining what they did not want to pay for? And additionally, did you know that the Texas Department of Insurance requires all insurance companies to do this when denying a claim?
No, I did not know that the department, that Texas requires insurance to send a denial letter, because I did not receive one for any of the work that was denied on my Bronco.
Do you believe the rates your insurance company is wanting to pay are reasonable, taking into consideration the safety of the driver and occupants of the vehicle?
Not at all. I felt like Progressive did everything they could to nickel and dime my repairs to the point where it impacted not only my safety, but the safety of my 3 young daughters.
Why do you think your insurance provider is refusing to pay for what's properly owed?
I have no idea. I've given them notice from day one of what happened with the accident. I let them know where the car was located, who was repairing it, yet they sent me through loophole after loophole.
Did your insurance provider ever speak about Hail Specialists in a negative way throughout the repair process? And if so, how did this affect how you perceived Hail Specialists as your chosen repair facility?
I can't repeat a lot of the things that I said to my insurance company when they told me they were denying me, but let me tell you, I let them know that it was ridiculous. The Hail Specialists were simply trying to give me the car back that I deserved and that I should have had with full coverage insurance. And when they denied me, they claimed some of the work was excessive, and I said no, it was exactly dead on.
How much did your insurance company short Hail Specialists? And do you think this will negatively impact Hail Specialists?
My insurance company shorted the good people at Hail Specialist by almost $2,000. And if you think it's fair for a multi-billion-dollar corporation to shortchange the hardworking folks, local folks here in Austin, it's not right.
Do you believe it's right that an insurance company treat any repair facility or customer in this way?
No. I believe Progressive has gone out of their way to make my repairs as difficult as possible, as shortchanged as possible, and I do not believe my car would look as great as it does without the good help of the people at Hail Specialists.
Would you recommend anyone to Hail Specialists?
Absolutely. I can't wait to recommend everybody I know. I'll be recommending it to my friends, family. I'm a former trial attorney. And let me tell you, if you have property damage and you don't come to Hail Specialists, you're really rolling the dice with your insurance company, because you will not know how the outcome will turn out.
Would you recommend anyone to your insurance provider?
No. I can tell you right now that Progressive can talk the talk, but they sure do not walk the walk when it comes to repairs. And that's evident in my $2,000 that they refused to pay for the simple repairs of my Bronco.
Thank you, Mr. Cowan.
Thank you.